Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add contacts in Zoho Books step by step in this full 2025 guide. Whether you're a business owner or an accountant managing multiple clients, this quick tutorial will help you organize your customer database and keep your financial records running smoothly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.zoho.com/books, http www.zoho.com books. Once the page loads, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your login credentials, and if you have multi-factor authentication enabled, complete that verification process. After you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Zoho Books dashboard. From the left-hand side menu, click on the Sales section. This is where you'll manage everything related to your clients, invoices, and payments. Inside the Sales section, click on Customers. This tab displays all the client data you've already added. If this is your first time setting it up, the page might be empty, and that's perfectly fine. Now, to add a new contact, click the New tick button at the top right corner of the customer's page. A new form will pop up asking for your client's details. Here's where accuracy is key. Enter your customer's name, email address, phone number, and any additional details you may need, like billing address, company name, or tax information. The more complete the data, the smoother your transactions and communication will be. Once you've filled out everything, review the information to ensure there are no typos or missing fields. When you're ready, click Save. And that's it. Your new contact is now added to Zoho Books. You can view, edit, or update this client anytime under the Customers tab. So there you have it. That's exactly how you add contacts in Zoho Books in 2025. It's simple, but incredibly important for maintaining organized financial records. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy Zoho tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.